I've seen in years. I don't know when the last time I saw a powder puff heat. Years ago in Pearl we did powder puff, and I think years ago here in Otter Tail. It's been a long time. All right, the block is in place. Our officials, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! And they're off. Whip them around, spin them around, and start smashing. Hit somebody. Oh yeah. That'll dent your fender. Alright, now she's mad, so she's gonna go hit somebody. Alright, we got mosquito control going. And we're gonna dance. 19 just danced right around. Oh, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. We have spare parts. Somebody left their tire out there. We'll have lots of used parts after the Derby. Just slightly used. Good for another few miles. They're back up. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Somebody's on, 26 is on 3 wheels. All right. But that ain't gonna stop her. Look out! Oh, nice hit. Emily winds that full throttle 75X up and really gets that thing going till the governor starts barking. Round and around they go. Is on a mission. Oh, 26 is really on a mission with 3 wheels. Now we got a sandwich out there. All right, Emily pulls off. She's on 3 wheels. Oh, pile in there. Goes down. 715 went down. Come on and hit me. I gotta get busted loose here. There you go. Get him off of there. Good sportsmanship going on. They help each other out. I think Emily's got a busted bumper on her car and no tire on the rim. Oh, 615 and 19 off. Nose to nose, anything goes. Alright, we're going to do a little maneuvering. We're going to get into ramming space. They don't call it full arena for nothing. There, bend that bumper. Oh, and there goes another tire. It's only the rubber part, I think. And the brake is locked up on the rear wheel. And it gets quiet. 615Z is trying to get moving again. Era is still moving out there. 19 is trying to get it running. Count down here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There it is.
I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed.